kidneys function as they should, they play a vital role in keeping your body clean, strong, well fueled and functioning properly. However, if they don't function the way they should, it can lead to all sorts of issues like anemia, a higher risk of heart disease, poor nutrition, hyperlipidemia and an abnormal growth in your bones. Now, food-wise, there are two vital things you can do to keep your kidneys healthy. And the very first one is drinking water. Don't like drinking water? No problem. Add some taste to it, like some lemon, some cucumber, some mint, some ginger, some fruits like pomegranates or strawberries, or even herbs like rosemary and thyme. Secondly, did you know there are specific vegetables and fruits that keep your kidneys healthy? Well, the first ones are the leafy green vegetables, then we have celery, then we have cranberries, fresh cranberries, blueberries, there is beetroot, which is really good for you, seaweed vegetables, spinach, there is avocado, you can have citrus fruits like lemon and banana. Now, more about keeping your kidney healthy in my blog, which is coming out at the end of the week.